Hello everyone, and here, the little Frenchie in Big Texas. Welcome to my channel. So a few months ago, I did clean my pantry right out there, looked at all the ingredients and kind of threw away the ones that were not too healthy for you, with MGO, modified and so on. Well, today I did the same exercise with the cleaners, what you used to clean your house with. Because the girls wanted to clean, very good, I'm all for it, go and clean. But they started spraying a bit too much around, because you know, they like the nice smell of the Febreze and so on. And then I started, you know, my eyes were like hurting, the throat was not feeling good. I'm like, oops, that's the end of it. So I went through everything we have, and just to give you a few examples, I encourage you to do the same. Look at your cleaning material and get rid of the bad things, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to use from now on, at least for them, to clean around and leave a good smell, because this is what they want a good smell. And we all know vinegar is great for cleaning, but it doesn't smell the nicest. So let me first show you what they were using here. So their number one thing is Febreze, because it smells so good. So they're spraying it all over the house, and honestly, when you look at the ingredients here, I'm not convinced. I am not. It says 100% natural propellant, which is the gas they use to propel. Okay, nitrogen, yes, that's in the air, fine. Water-based formula, okay, water is the main ingredient, that's fine. And it's made with a corn dairy derived odor eliminator. Okay, but the rest? Hydroxypropyl citroclex, whatever. This, I'm not too good. It didn't work well on me. My throat, my eyes, so no. I mean, a tiny bit might work, but you know, the kids, psh, all over, so no. The second thing they love to use is Lysol. Same, it smells good. That one, to be honest, even with my glasses, have you seen all the wording in the back? Whew, it's hard to read, hard. So maybe a tiny bit at a time, but then you look at the bathroom cleaners. Like an example, I just took one for you, kaboom. That's fun, color, psh, lot of foam. But same here, when you look at the ingredients with the tetrasodium EDTA and all the rest, isobutane, sodium benzoate, I'm not convinced either. So just a few examples here of what I found around the house. Windex, okay, that one contains alcohol, I think. Window cleaner, but honestly, it's kind of hard to read the ingredients. It's all the way in the back here. Pretty hard to read. And it's just so easy to clean windows with vinegar or something a bit more natural. So, oh, another one, Pledge. That one actually I looked was not too bad. Not too bad, but over. So I found two that were not bad actually. So this is the whole natural window cleaner, but as I said, you might as well just use vinegar. And so that one was okay. And then you've got the ecological friendly green products like this one for the daily shower that didn't look too bad either, but it doesn't smell as good. So what I'm going to use here, going the old way, I ordered some cold pressed orange oil, and we've already used that actually in the garden at the ranch against the fire ants, because it's all purpose. So that one you can use as a cleaner, degreaser when you clean your stove, the countertop, multiple use around the house. It gives a really nice smell. I mean, it's orange, it smells wonderful. So air freshener at the same time, multiple use. I've read some good reviews as well that it works against mosquitoes, insects, so, and it's natural. So it's not gonna hurt the garden, the plants, it's, and not the kids. So of course you don't put in your eyes, of course. But what I'm gonna do is reuse one of these bottles here, empty, and dilute it and use it around the house to get them to clean, have some fresh smell everywhere. that is not going to be Febreze and so on, full of chemicals. So we're gonna go natural and try this out around the house. I will put the link in the description below. This is something I bought off Amazon, so I will give you my affiliate link if you want to try it out as well. There are other brands. This one is one we have used and worked on the garden. So right now I'm trying it in the house. Let's see how it goes with the girls. All right, so here we have this bottle, which is 28 ounce, out of which, so dilution here is going to depend on the strength. So 2.5 ounces is just for an air freshener, and 6.5 will be to clean your showers, bathtub, and countertops would be just the same here. So I'm gonna go a bit in between, given it's for the girls. I'm gonna go up to my 4 ounces right there. A bit in between, because it's really for the kids to use. So now we're gonna close it and shake it. So this is kind of like the color it has once it's shaken. It's kind of cold today, so it's cold water, and this is not necessarily supposed to dissolve because this is oil and here it is water. So and it does smell good. So now we're gonna go around and clean and spray and see how this works. But does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, we are ready to clean now. Yes, we are. Let's go. Please let us know what you use to clean your house. Any natural products? What do you have? What do you use? Vinegar? Cold pressed orange oil like us? Any essential oil maybe? Let us know. Looking forward to your comments. Thank you all for watching.